Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Mary's Makes and Mends. This is part 2 of my Hobbit costume video, and today I'll be showing you how I thrift flipped the vest, undershirt, and pants for this costume, which altogether cost me less than $30. These are all items that are easily found in a thrift store, and with a little bit of tweaking, it's really easy to make this costume your own. This is how everything looked before I tailored it. Sorry this shot is so blurry, I didn't realize my camera was so out of focus here. The shirt that I bought needed to be shortened, and I also wanted an extra button at the top. The vest was a little bit long and also needed to be brought in at the sides a bit. The pants were exactly what I wanted. They were just a little bit too long, so I would have to hem them. I started with the shirt. First I cut it to the size I wanted, basically just cutting off the part at the bottom that tapered out. I then took one of the buttons from the bottom so I could use it at the top. I ironed the bottom of the shirt over twice to the wrong side to create the hem, and I sewed this. I marked out where I wanted the new buttonhole to be and made the buttonhole according to the size of the button. I then seam ripped the buttonhole open. And then I sewed the new button on. The vest was really easy. All I needed to do was take the shoulders and the waist in both about 1 inch. For the waist, I made sure to sew it on a bit of a curve so it would match my waistline. For the pants, I just marked and cut where I wanted them to be and ironed and sewed a new hem. And of course, no Hobbit costume is complete without a cape. This is a cape that I had made for our Lord of the Rings themed wedding a few years ago. but I'll be releasing a video showing how to make your own cape next week. Thanks so much for watching. If you missed it last week, be sure to check out my video on making your own Hobbit feet. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more DIY videos like this. Bye for now.